Does it ever feel to you like health insurance companies and medical facilities are working the system against you? You know, you go in the healthcare, they've got their different plans that they offer to you. Based off of the metal colors, you got your bronze, your silver, and your gold, and they basically say, it's like, oh, we'll cover so much percentage with this deductible, and it generally ends up being, if it's preventative maintenance, we'll cover more of it. If it's diagnostic, then you got to cover more of it. Encountered that with, I think, talked to several other people with essentially the yearly general exam that you get. Used to be it was I do a copay, pay $20, go in, and that was that. It's like everything was covered. Last few years I go in, do my copay, and then I get later in the mail, I'll get bills that say, yeah, lab services, they are diagnostic. They're not preventative. So I end up getting about, the last two years, I think was, each year I got about $380 worth of diagnostics bills. So my $20 general exam now went up to $400. So, again, does make a guy real happy. And then you see, the same thing again, the health, the providers, they're going in, did the same thing, asked a basic question that was not in the general exam that they considered was not related to the general exam, and they billed me, a separate office visit for that. So you get all these different things that they do. Well, with that in mind, I would say they really, it's like mine, I'd call, if I had a company, I'd call it Underworld Health Care, and we'd go take a look, and here's how we do it. Why, look at what we've got back here. Why, we have our bronze plan, we have our silver plan, we have our gold plan. And it's all the same. You got a skull, you know what that means. It's just a different color of metal on top of it. There you go. You can pay the different rates you want on it, and you're going to get the same bad treatment. Just my rant. It's it's an expensive world we live in. Going to get you coming and going. Even going on the way out, they're going to get you. Anyway, that's my rant for the day.